Hello everyone, welcome to Educate 5. In today's video, we will know the solving real life scenarios with quadratic equations. Alright, let's dive into the world of quadratic equation and see how they can help us solve real life scenarios. Imagine you are at a park and watching someone throwing a ball in the air. Have you ever wondered how you could calculate the trajectory of that ball? Well, quadratic equation can help us do just that. Quadratic equations are like superheroes in the world of mathematics. They are powerful tools that we can use to solve real world problems involving unknowns, whether it's finding the path of a ball in the air or predicting the motion of a falling object. Quadratic equation come to the rescue. Now let's consider a specific scenario. Picture a ball being thrown in the air with unknown initial velocity. How can we figure out how fast the ball was thrown? This is where quadratic equation come into play. To solve this problem, we need to set up a quadratic equation based on the given information such as time, height, and acceleration due to gravity. By carefully analyzing these variables, we can create an equation that will lead us to the answer we seek. And here comes to the exciting part, the climax. After setting up the quadratic equation, we can solve it to find the initial velocity of the ball. It's like unraveling a mystery and reaching that aha moment when everything falls into place. In conclusion, quadratic equation provides us with a systematic approach to solving real life scenarios like calculating the initial velocity of a ball. By understanding the principles behind quadratic equations, we can apply them to various other situations and enhance our problem solving skills. So, here is your challenge. Try solving similar scenarios using quadratic equation. Get creative, explore different problems, and don't forget to solve your results in the comment box. Let's see how quadratic equation can help us unravel the mysteries of the world around us. Thank you.